Good morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezell with Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic week. Today is day 3 of our One Thing series, and we're going to be tackling an open house. All right, today's task is to do an open house. I know it's last minute, but don't fret. If you already have a listing, go ahead and do it on one of yours. If your office has some listings, call some of your coworkers. If not, go ahead and call somebody in your area. You can do open houses at other people's listings given permission. All right, do a quick blast, do a Facebook Live or an Instagram Live while you're there. Try to drum up as much business while you're there. But worst case scenario, guess what? You have a mobile office. You can make your phone calls, you can do other planning, you can do all kinds of stuff while you're at an open house. Worst case scenario, you're gonna get a few leads while you're at it. That's it. Have an awesome day. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.